Hi everyone, in this video I am going to show how to find the value of x to the power 100 plus 1 over x to the power 100 where x is equal to square root of twice x minus 1. As x is equal to square root of twice x minus 1, or taking a square to both sides, we can write x square is equal to this square root and square will cancel out, so it will remain twice x minus 1. Or taking this right side to left, we can write x square minus twice x plus 1 is equal to 0. Or x square minus 2 times x times 1, this is twice x plus 1 is equal to 1 square is equal to 0. Or this is as a formula, a square minus 2 times a times b plus b square is a minus b whole square. So applying this formula, we can write x minus 1 whole square is equal to 0. Or taking square root to both sides, we can write x minus 1 is equal to square root of 0 is 0. Now taking this 1 to right side, we will have the value of x is equal to 1. So x to the power 100 plus 1 over x to the power 100 is equal to the value of x is 1. So 1 to the power 100 plus 1 over 1 to the power 100 is equal to 1 to the power 100 is 1 plus 1 over 1 to the power 100 is 1 is equal to 1 plus 1 over 1 is 1 is equal to 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. So this is the value of x to the power 100 plus 1 over x to the power 100. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.